Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update drivers on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. So there are a few things that you can do, and the first one is just going to settings and then Windows Update, and here you can click on download and install, and it may later on prompt you to restart your laptop, and that'll install some drivers. Then also in advanced options in Windows Update, you'll find optional updates, and under driver updates there may be some that you can optionally install, but you should only install them if you have a specific problems connected with one of the drivers. Otherwise, just automatic updates will be fine. I actually have a problem with the Intel system, so I think it may help me. And now let's get to the next method, which is going through the browser, and it'll also enable us to get some updates that won't be shown here. So I'm gonna get to the browser, then let's just type in, I think I need to take my keyboard for that. So you just need to type in the Lenovo drivers and go to the Lenovo system update, for example. Yeah, so that's not a page that I expected, but at some point I should get to enter serial number, but I'm actually gonna detect my product automatically, because it'll also let me do a few other things later. If I get the Lenovo Service Bridge, if you don't have it, then this process will ask you to download something. Then you just need to open the file once it gets downloaded in top right corner and install it, and after that you will have this pop-up. Just click on open and that'll detect your product. But not only that, also if you go to drivers and software, you can click on scan now, then start scan, and let's open the Service Bridge again. And that will help us identify which drivers we are missing and help us get them. But of course, as you might have noticed, next to the automatic driver update there was manual one, and here I'm gonna show you that in a moment. There you can select the drivers that you want to install manually. And as I can see, there are no drivers required for my machine, so I don't have to do anything here. But I'm gonna show you also the manual driver, and there I will select the drivers to install, and this process will look sort of similar to this one. So if you don't know what to do later, after here are some drivers, you can just see the manual update. So if I go to select drivers and select the ones that I want to install, like for example in software and utilities, a very important driver for the Lenovo Yoga Book is the Yoga Book 9 solutions for Windows 11. And you can just click on download. I think there is no option to select a few, so you need to unfortunately download each one separately. So let's click on download. Then once it gets downloaded, you'll just have that either exe file, or let's see what I got, MSIX bundle. This will also work sort of the same. So I already have the Yoga Book solutions, so I think I'm gonna pause it, and then you can open the file. And for different drivers it'll look differently, but just click on yes, then just click on next and next and finish, and I think that this will help. Although I already have the Yoga Book solutions, but I can still click on install, but I'm gonna cancel it since I already have it. And the Yoga Book solutions let you do things that work great with both screens, like for example tapping with with 4 fingers, as I presume, to open the keyboard. Or if you put the keyboard right here, it'll also turn on the touchpad, which I can even put here. Yeah, and if you put it here, then it'll also work. And you can also tap with 3 fingers to turn on touchpad. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.